Hi guys, hope you're doing well. I'm Mehdi from Fairly Channel and today we're visiting one of the most popular and crowded markets of South Tehran that attracts many people from all over Tehran city. This market is called Imamzadeh Hassan because of its proximity to one of the Islamic religious person temple, which his name is Hassan, that is placed in 17th district of Tehran between Aminul Mulk and Yaftabad streets. This market was built many years ago and the reason of creation of this market is the Imamzadeh Hassan temple. At that time only it was a few stores, but as the time went off, this big line market created. Most shops and stores here are about 20 square meters and you can rent them with only $50 per month. There are many variety of stores in this street, such as sofa and different wooden sets, clothing stores, electric and home appliances, foodstuffs, shoe and bag stores, suits, sports, clothes, and many other different shops that you can have one of the cheapest shoppings of your life. The starting prices are like about $10 for a jean, $10 for a hoodie, $8 for a blouse, $34 for a leather shoe, $4 for a cap, $30 for dress pants, $10 for a skirt, $10 for a handbag, and $1,000 for a bed set, and $900 for a 42 inches TV. Yes, the prices are very cheap and low, but I have to say that the qualities are different too. After watching this video, I suggest you to watch the Aqiq Shopping Center, which is one of the best shopping centers for women to buy party and wedding clothes. You can watch this video by clicking on the link in description in suggested videos. There is no public transportation access to this area, but you can use taxi to get to this market. Finally, I have to say, you're gonna have a cheap shop in this market. And if you like this kind of videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell to be notified for more videos of Tehran and Iran sites. Comment me if you had any suggestion and don't forget to like the video.
يوم الأسد 15 ساعة